Hello. So what I'm going to show you today is how to draw a cake. So this is going to be a two-level cake. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the level that's on top. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an ellipse somewhere like this. Now ellipse is really just kind of a long oblong shape like this. It's kind of like a stretched out or a squished circle. Okay, that's going to be the very top of my cake. On the side over here, I'm going to go with a vertical line down. Over here, I'm going to go with a vertical line down, just like that. All right, now I need a bottom to my cake here, so it's going to match the curve that's at the top. So I'm going to start at the edge, and I'm just going to go around, try to keep these two distances about the same. And bam, like that. That's going to be one level of my cake. Now I need to do the second level. So for it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do the same that I do up here. So it's going to start at the edge though, and it's going to come around like this. And it's a long ellipse. Notice that it does have to go back behind this part of the cake, so it looks like this one sits on top of here. Then, I'm going to go with a vertical line here and a vertical line here. Okay. Same thing I did. I may make this a little bit bigger cake. I like a big tall cake. And then right here at the bottom, we're going to connect these two. So that same ellipse, that same curve like that. Now I'm also going to do a platter that this sets on. The platter's just like doing the top of this right here. So I'm going to start behind this one. And look, it's going to come down here at the bottom, kind of come around and back behind there. Bam. So now my cake sits on a platter. Now comes the fun part, decorating it. Really, you can put anything you want to on the cake. Here's a couple of examples of things I like to do. Frosting. If I want frosting to go, say, around the edge right here, what I can do is just use a curve shape like this right here. Now you can be real delicate with it, space it out, but make sure it follows this curve right here. I like to actually do the same texture above it too, so it kind of looks puffy. Looks like that big old puffy icing, okay? Bam, following that curve around, all right? Now, since I did cover up that curve, I can go back and erase that out. And look, I have some icing right there. Okay. Oh, I gotta remember my icing does go around back here, so same thing, just kind of curve like that. A little bit of curved icing just like that right there. And then I'll curve underneath too. All right, I like my icing. Okay, some good icing. Okay, I could do the same at the bottom, put some more icing. You can really decorate any way you want to. If you want to put some candles, you can do some simple straight up lines like that. Make them curve at the top and at the bottom since they are round, and look, a flame, just give it a little point like that. Let's say, oh, it's my let's call it my 4th birthday today. We'll call it today's happy 4th birthday. All right. Now you could write anything you want to on here. You can decorate. You can put some sprinkles on there. Make it your own cake. Have fun with it. Maybe even at the top you could write a little happy birthday. I ran out of room. All right, guys. Y'all have a good time. I'll see you next time.